And I believe the strength of the union of Jessie and Kai has been and is founded on their respective and learned characteristics. Your heart has recognized a love of your equal, a treasured keepsake held in your soul. You believe in each other, and you believe in the commitment which is to find your life's path. It is the love you have for each other, the bond you have created, nothing more dear or consequential than to commit to your welfare together. And you begin your life together as two individuals, now one in purpose and in spirit. God bless you both.
In these past 3 years, you have made my world feel full. And I knew I loved you arguably too early when I blurted it out at your cabin after month 1. You are a rare person, Kai. Thank you for loving me when it's been hard, for loving me when I haven't loved myself, and for standing by me in thick and thin. You are loved by me now and forever. So Kai, I promise to love you. I promise to be quick to say sorry. I promise to be your greatest advocate. I promise to fight for you when things get tough. I promise to be a good listener. I promise to love you in sickness and in health. And I promise to be your family.
I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you and everything that comes with it. I love your unending enthusiasm for life. I love how funny you think you are when you I love how funny you think you are when you prank call your sisters. I love how truly dedicated you are to helping others and making an impact with your work. You are absolutely the best adventure co-pilot I could ever ask for. In all the years to come, I promise to love you. I'll hold your hand.
Yeah.
I promise to be quick to say sorry. I promise to be your greatest advocate. I promise to fight for us when things are tough. I promise to be a good listener. I promise to love you in sickness and in health. And I promise to always be your family.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
For those who don't know, Kai has a tendency to misplace things. What Kai has lost pales in comparison to what he has found along the way. He has found countless wonderful friends. He finds adventure. He finds challenges and new skills. And a few years ago, Kai had his greatest find ever by far. I couldn't think of a person better suited to be my best friend's partner in life. Kai and Jessie, we are all so happy you found each other, and know that you will find a lifetime of happiness, adventure, and love. Cheers.
take a look around this room, you have family and friends from every chapter of your life. As life continues, remember that you have this vast, supportive, and very loving community around you.
So with that, we'd invite you to please raise a glass and celebrate this wonderful couple. Cheers.
Cheers.